Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use Atera remote access features in 2025. So to get started with that, Atera remote access features allow you to connect instantly to client device from anywhere using integrated tools like Splashtop or AnyDesk. And here is a straightforward guide to help you use it in 2025. So the first step is to log in into your Atera account. So visit your app.atera.com and sign in with your credentials. Then you will land on the Atera dashboard where you can manage all your client devices. So the step 2 is to locate the device you want to access. So click the device in the left sidebar, then search or filter to find the target device. So from there, click on the device name to open its profile. So on step 3, you have to initiate the remote access. So to do this, within the device profile, click the connect button. Then you'll be prompted to choose your preferred remote access tools, like if it is Splashtop, which is built in and free with Atera, or if it is AnyDesk or TeamViews, if configured. So click your tools of choice. If using Splashtop, it will launch automatically in seconds, but if it is AnyDesk or TeamViews, you have to configure it before it opens. Then on step 4, you have to control the remote section. So once connected, you can view and control the desktop, transfer file, then also run script or troubleshoot in real time. And sections are secured and logged in the device history for compliance. Then on step 5, you have to end the section and review the log. So click disconnect to end the section, and also you can visit reports. Then from there, click on the activities log to review the section duration, technician information, and the action taken. And that's how you can use the Atera remote access features in 2025. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.